Hello everyone, welcome to the Alexis Investing channel for today's video, which will be my second monthly update for February 2020. Today we're going to speak about the fear that is running the market right now. If you want to follow my investing journey or learn about passive income, finances and investment, hit that subscribe button right now to be notified for every upcoming videos. Hope everyone is having an amazing day so far, and without any further ado, let's go into the second monthly update on my channel. So this month started actually pretty well. We had a bit of growth every day. It was going up pretty much steadily. It was really good. But if you follow the news, if you like investing and if you invest yourself, you probably know that it didn't last really long. If you saw my first monthly update, which you can find on the top right corner, we spoke about the effect on the market of the coronavirus. So if you want to go and check it out, it will be really relevant for this video because it went worse and the market went down really bad. So what happened is that the virus continued spreading a lot, and it reached new countries, it reached new regions where people thought they were safe. So people got really scared, and right now the fear is running in the market, and we'll see the effect it had on my portfolio, which I can tell you is pretty big. So as a new investor, it's a bit scary, but we'll speak about how you should react to this situation if you aim for long-term investment. So don't worry, we're going to speak about this in a second. So first off, on the screen right now, you can see it's actually a screenshot from last month's episode. So we had 14,628 cases, confirmed cases, and you can see on the map, it was really like concentrated in China. We had a bit in Europe. You can see, I think it was like 2 people infected in France, Germany, Italy and stuff like this. But the main thing you can tell on the left that almost every cases were in China. How it evolved? Well, I'm gonna show you with the live map that is right here. So this one is in live right now. So we have 83,704 cases. And you can see right now the map is a bit zoomed out, and you can tell that the virus spread pretty much everywhere. Look, I can show you here. Of course, we still have this huge concentration, not only in China right now, but in all Asia. A lot in Iran, in Saudi Arabia and stuff like this, and we have so much going on right now in Europe. If you don't know, I live actually here, and we have 8 confirmed cases in Switzerland. But look at Italy, 655 cases. And the thing is, people were not ready for this, and they got so scared, and the whole world actually got scared to learn that the virus continued spreading. Because if you don't know, it actually stopped spreading in China. I mean, it didn't stop, but it started slowing down because they did so many actions to stop it. But the other countries didn't. They didn't check people the right way, or they didn't stop enough people from China to come. And now we have more cases in the whole world. You can see that now even Africa is touched, South America also, North America, a lot of cases, but it's really spread. But pretty much the whole world is infected right now. So people got whole scared in the last week. The S&P 500 got the worst 6 days ever. Like it's the first time the market is going down this rapidly. And I'm gonna show you this article right now. Speaks about the fastest drop in history, and this is amazing. Look at this. This graph right here is showing the time it took for the S&P 500 to fall 10%. And you can tell sometimes it took 190 days, and we are here. It took 6 days. 6 days for the S&P 500 to drop 10%. This is absolutely insane. It never happened in history. Even in the 2008 recession, things were better than now. So you can tell right now the effect is getting so much stronger on the market. That's why I'm doing this video right now a bit early. We're the 28th of February, and I'm not doing it on the 1st of March because I really want to speak about this subject right now because it's really relevant. And also I got this graph right here, which shows the fear and greed index. So it's pretty much saying how the market is doing. You can see right here on the right, 1 year ago, the market was greedy. So people were buying because they were like, okay, everything is gonna go up, everything is gonna go up. So they wanna buy a lot of things. 1 month ago, the market was neutral. 1 week ago, it was neutral. And right now, we're in extreme fear. You can see it in the red here. And this is one indicator that the stocks are gonna go down. But this is so dumb. Like, let me explain to you. The stock market, when people are getting scared of extreme fears, you can see right here, what they're gonna do is that they think everybody is gonna sell. So what do? They sell. But everybody is doing the same thing. And everybody is selling their stocks. And so everybody is losing money. I didn't sell any stocks. And as you can tell with the screenshot that I have right here, I'm in negative 9.2% at the moment. So maybe it will get worse in a few days or better in a few days. We don't really know. If you can tell right here, where you can see my mouse, is where I am in profit or not. So the weeks before actually, I was like 3% up. I was really happy because if you didn't check the first video, I was actually in red because the stocks went down a little bit, but then it went up and I was pretty happy about it. So as you can see right here, it's dipping so hard and it's showing extreme fear in the market pretty much. And this one is on the last week and you can see it's pretty amazing. I was right here, so 3% up, and every day was dropping like 2%. Right now we're here. This is absolutely insane. This is really like, look how fast it is dropping. But I am not scared, and I'm gonna explain to you why you shouldn't be scared at all. So let's go back to this graph about fear and greed. If you aim for long-term investing, which I hope you're doing if you're watching this video, when stocks are going down this fast, well, what it means is that the prices of the stocks are cheaper. You aiming for long-term means that cheaper stocks, which means you can buy more stocks at a cheaper price, and then it will go up, hopefully, pretty soon, I hope. But so it means more profit for you. If you aim for short-term investing, like day trading and stuff like this, let me show you something. People were absolutely crazy, but they were going crazy about the Tesla stocks, which was going up so fast and so high. It went up to almost $1,000 per stock, per share, and it was at about $210 last year. So it's really like a huge growth in the stock of Tesla. But look what happened when the coronavirus came. It went from $920 to $678. So if you're aiming for short-term investing and you were like, oh, it's going up so much, I need to buy the stocks, and then you see it going down like this and then you sell because you're scared, well, you just lost like almost $300, right? If you aim for long-term investing, first of all, you don't buy when the stocks are this high because it means that you're taking so much risk. If we watch my portfolio, which we can't really because I'm not on my phone, but like right here, American Express went down 10%, AT&T went down 9%. I got some stocks that are still up. So it's possible to not lose that much money depending on which stocks you're buying, okay? But if you aim for long term, the stocks will go up again and you just need to wait. It may take years, but it will go up again. So when the stocks are this low, you should be the most happy man, the most happiest man you've ever been, and buy all the things, the cheapest option you got with the best value you can find. So for my part, I already said in the last episode that I was going to buy Wells Fargo because it was at a low price, but guess what? Right now it's even cheaper. So I'm gonna buy more Wells Fargo. You should not buy because I'm telling that I'm gonna buy something, okay? You should do your own research to be sure about what you're doing. As you can tell, the Tesla stock went down so much, and if you look on the left right here, it's about popular stocks. Uber is down 6%, 1.2%, 4.6%, 1.9%, 12% for Tesla. So really, the thing you should aim for is long-term investing. When the stocks are going down like this, even Apple, Beyond Meat, everything is going down right now. You can find almost anything is in red. So when stocks are going down like this, you should buy the best value you can get. And also you should dollar cost averaging, which means that you shouldn't add like $10,000 to buy shares right now. You should add $1,000 per month, for example, and buy shares. If the market still continue to go down, well, you'll be happy about this. And if it goes up, well, it will be an average, so you still have a lot of value with the stocks going down. Okay, so As I showed you last month, this is my portfolio. You can see that it's amazing. Look at this. I got only one share that is up, and it's up 1.2%, so not much, but you can see almost all of them are so low. I told you I was going to buy Wells Fargo because it's down 21% and it's really low, really cheap for the price of the share and the value it offers. But even Microsoft is negative. I was up 10% on Microsoft. This is just to show you that it's not because your portfolio is doing great, then it will not drop when the market goes down. And actually, my portfolio is doing better than the S&P 500 from just a little bit of percent. So just to show you also that diversification is more secure than focusing on like one stock and buying all of it. I got a friend who, it's a bit a sad story, but he bought Tesla right here. He's not aiming for long-term investment, so he already took a risk by this. He bought it at about $900, so by here. The same day it went down to, I would think it was like 780, and today it's even less. So it was just to show you that you shouldn't like short sell, short investments and stuff like this. You should aim for long-term investment. I'm not worried at all about my stocks going down like this because the money that I invest is money that I don't need at the moment, so I'm not scared to actually lose value over it and on the long term seeing it go back up. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you about the market and show you how the fear right now is running the market really, really bad. So let's talk about something a bit better right now, a bit happier, I guess. I've been paid 4 times this month with Dividend. Here are my dividend like I've been paid. So you can see in February I got AT&T, American Express, Tanger Outlets, and Kinder Morgan. They all paid me about, I think it was like $3 something. And if I show you my dividend income, this was for January and this is for February. So almost 3 times as much as January. So it's really good. It's really good. I'm really happy about this. You can see right here I got $5 worth of dividend. So it's amazing. No, it's not amazing, but I mean, you can see the growth going up, so that's great. And as I said in the first episode, if you haven't watched it, go check it out. I didn't add any money this month because I did a mistake of adding $2,000 at once, even though I planned on adding $1,000 per month. So that was just a dumb mistake. I didn't add any money this month, but I will add $1,000 in March. So since I didn't add any money, I didn't buy any stocks. I got like $37 in cash still. So next month will be more interesting than this one. Hopefully the market will be better and I will have bought a bit of stocks. So I will show you in March how everything went. Also, something I want to address to you guys watching this video is that I want to every month answer a question that you guys ask me. So if you're interested into investment, or it can also be about personal finance or passive income or whatever you want to speak about that is about money, let me know in the comments down below something you're interested to hear about, something you wanted me to discuss about, and I'm gonna answer this. So go ask a question in the comments right now. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're not getting too scared about the market. If you're investing, keep your stocks and don't sell it. Please don't do it. This is just dumb. You lose money over it. And even if it seemed like I lost money right now, well, no, because I didn't sell. So if the stocks go up again, I'll be just fine. So that's why I'm not scared, and you shouldn't be scared too. It was your host Alexis from the Alexis Investing channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I see you guys next month for the next monthly update, and I see you next week for the next video. Hope you have a great week, and I see you guys later. Bye bye.